Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In today's class, let us see billing document types. What do you mean by billing type and how this billing type will be fetched when you create invoice with respect to delivery document or whenever you create billing document with respect to order type. Let us see each and everything in this class. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe because it will help you to get the notification of my upcoming video. Now let us begin into today's topic, that is billing document type. So we have a transaction code to create new billing type, that is VOFA. I'll go to SAP screen. I will type transaction code VOFA, click enter. You can see billing document types, or we have a path also /NSPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Okay, go to sales and distribution module. Go to sales and distribution module. Go to basic functions, or no, go to billing. Go to billing documents, define billing document types. So now double click on this define billing document type. So you will come into the same path, billing document type. Okay. Now for billing document type, there is no provision of external number range because it is a legal requirement that billing number should always be in sequence. Okay, remember this point, that for example, for normal sales order and delivery, we had our own billing number range. Correct, right? But for billing document type, we cannot have our own billing document number range or any custom number ranges because the billing number should be in sequence and it is a legal. Okay, it is legal. Now there is something called pro forma invoice. Okay, there is a something called pro forma invoice. This pro forma invoice is not similar to our normal invoice. Okay, this is pro forma. Okay, in the spelling pro forma invoice. Okay, this pro forma invoice, it is a dummy invoice. Okay, it's a dummy invoice which will not generate accounting document, whereas our standard invoice, it will generate accounting document. So these are the billing types we have. For standard it is F2, for cash sales we have BV, for returns we have RE, for credit memo or invoice correction we have G2, debit memo L2, intercompany invoice L2, intercompany credit memo IG, invoice cancellation S1, return invoice and credit memo cancellation S2, proforma invoice order related billing F5, and proforma invoice delivery related billing is F8. So these are the important. See, there are many billing document types we have, but for our SD point of view, these are the important billing types we have. Okay. Now the standard billing type is F2. Okay, I'll go to SAP screen, click on position, go to billing type F2. Okay, go to billing type F2. Where is F2 here? Billing document type F2. Click enter. Okay, select this line item, click on copy as, and I will create my own document billing document type as ZSOR. See, even our sales document type is also same, and sales order document type is also same. That is the reason I'm taking billing type as ZSOR. Click enter. Okay, is this entry also relevant for copy control? Click on S and save this. Okay, save this. Now what you have to do, so whenever you create any new billing document type, okay, whenever you're creating any new billing document type, you have to copy this invoice document type and go to VOV8 transaction. Okay, okay, it is locked. Okay, click on no. Again, try VOV8. Okay, it is locked. So what I'll do, I'll go to SM12 slash and SM12. I will remove my user ID. I will select the whole line item and I will delete this because many users have been, using that VOV8 screen. That is the reason it is being locked. So now what I'll do, I'll go to slash and VOV8. Now what is the billing, what is the sales order type we have? ZSOR. Now double click on this sales document type. Now here we have delivery related billing. Copy here ZSOR. Okay. ZSOR invoice, and here also ZSOR. Okay, and save this. TR will generate. Okay, click on continue. So this is how you will create one new billing document type and you will assign that billing document type into sales document type. Now I will create one sales order, delivery and invoice slash and VA01. Okay. What is the sales order type? ZSOR. What is the sales area? Click enter and give the customer. Now sales area will be copied from customer master. Give the PO number, some random PO number, and enter the material and give order quantity as 100. Click enter. Now, click on edit in completion log. Document type is complete, but I can see the net value as 0. Now double click on this line item. Let us see why the net value is 0. Go to condition tab and insert one euro. Give PR00 standard condition type. Now I'll just give 150 rupees. Okay. You can see the net value and tax has been updated. Now click on edit in completion log. The document type is complete. Now I will create delivery directly from here. Okay. Now go to picking tab. Give picked quantity as 100. Okay. Now click on go to header. Click on administration. Now you can see the delivery type is also ZSOR. Okay. Now I will save this. Now create invoice slash and VF01. Click enter. Okay. I think I didn't do post goods issue, right? Slash and VL02N. Okay, click enter. Perform post goods issue. Okay, now create invoice slash in VF01. Enter. Enter. Okay, you can see invoice type ZSOR. Here you can see ZSOR. Now save this. So this is how the invoice type will be fetched from sales document type. So hope you understood this concept, right? Now let us see what are the important fields we have inside this billing document type. Okay, slash n VOFA. Go to VOFA. Go to our billing document type which we create ZSOR. Now double click on this line item. See, these are some of the important fields we have. Okay, these are some of the important fields we have. Let us see the important of these fields now. Okay. So first one we have SD document category. Remember, for sales document, for delivery document type, and for even for billing document type, we have something called document category. What do you mean by document category? Document category will control the functionality of billing document type. This is a very important. See, whatever the M that you see here, it is not just an alphabet. Okay. Whatever the M that you're seeing here, it is not just an alphabet. Behind this, there is so much logic and code written. Okay. So what do you mean by SD document category in billing type means these document category will control the functionality of billing document type. See, we have three important document categories, that is M. So we saw that for billing type F2, for standard billing type F2, we will assign document category as M because whenever you create invoice, accounting document will generate and the accounting entry is cost of goods sold debit, or sorry, customer account debit to revenue account credit. We are posting the invoice value. That means we are debiting the amount to customer and which is the revenue for the company. That is the reason customer account debit to revenue account credit for returns and G2. Okay, for returns, for example, I will go to document type F2. Document type F2, sorry, RE. For returns, it is RE. Okay, I'll go to billing document type RE. You can see SD document category is 0. 0 means credit memo. So what do you mean by 0? Whenever you create written invoice, okay, whenever you create written invoice, at the time invoice, system will generate accounting document and the entry is revenue account debit to customer account credit. So you're deducting some amount from customer outstanding, which is a credit to customer, and it is something a burden to company, which is nothing but revenue account debit. Now for proforma invoice and F8, okay, what is F5 and F8? That both are proforma invoice, but one is order related billing and second one is a delivery related billing. So whenever you create invoice with billing document type F5 and F8, system will not generate accounting document because of document category U. So in interview they will ask where is the control that when you create invoice with F5 or F8 billing type, system will not generate accounting entry. So you should answer document category U. So this is the control. Now I'll go to F8 just to show you. I'll go to billing document type F8. So it is loading, 1 second. Okay, I'll go to F8. You can see the document category as you, which is proforma invoice. Okay, so these are the functionalities of SD document category. Now I'll go to my own billing type which I created just now. Now second one is posting block. See what is the purpose of this posting block. Okay, now what I'll do, I will check this and I will save this. Okay, I will check this and I will save this. Now I will create one invoice. Okay, now I'll create one invoice slash OVA01 from sale order to invoice I will do. Okay, now click enter, enter the customer, enter the sold to party. Now enter the material, enter the order quantity as 100, click enter. Now double, or you can go here only, go to header, go to condition tab, go to condition tab. Okay, okay, PR00 is not a header condition type. So what I'll do, I'll double click on this line item, go to condition tab. Okay, click on insert. PR00 is a standard condition type. This is a base price and I'll give some 100 rupees. Click enter. You can see the net value and the tax has been updated. Now I will create delivery. Create delivery. Create delivery. Go to picking tab. Go to picking tab and enter the picker quantity and perform post goods issue. Okay. Now create it by slash and VF01. Click enter. You save it. See, system will not generate accounting document. No accounting document has been generated. So we have to manually post these invoice values into accounting document. So go to slash and VF02 and you have to click on this green flag. Okay, release to accounting. So this is the functionality of posting block. Check posting block. So I'll go to Word document. You can see what do you mean by posting block. If we check this, accounting document will not generate automatically while creating invoice. The user has to post it manually. Okay. To post invoice into accounting manually, go to change mode of invoice and click on release. That is flag, that green flag signal. The T code to post collective billing document into accounting is VFX3. See, manually it is very difficult for all the invoice values to post into accounting. So we have something called T code slash VFX3. Go to this transaction code. Okay, go to this transaction code, enter the sales organization ZZ01. Now execute this. So you will get list of invoices. See, you will get list of invoices where you have to select all and click on release option. Okay, you have to click on this release option so that all the invoice values will be posted into accounting. So this is the functionality of posting block. Now I will uncheck and save this. Okay, what is the next field we have? Next field we have statistics. So this field controls whether to update billing document type into LIS or not. This LIS, it is kind of a report. Okay, so this field controls whether to update the billing document into LIS report or not. Next one is next one we have document type. Okay, where is the document type? So this document type. Okay, so document type we have RV. Okay, where is RV? Okay, this is a standard document type and which is related to finance team. Okay, this is related to finance team. So they will give you that the document type. Next we have is negative posting. This field controls if the billing document values is in negative, whether to generate accounting document or not. So hope you understood this point, right? If the net value is minus, that means that system will check whether to post these invoice values into accounting or not. Next one we have rebate. Okay, relevant for rebate. So this field is one of the prerequisite to process the rebate. Okay, so you have to activate in sales organization, like I discussed in last in few classes. You have to activate in sales organization, in customer master, and also in billing type. Okay, you have see this rebate. Okay, relevant for rebate, so you have to activate this. Okay, you have to activate this. Next one we have cancellation billing type. Standard cancellation invoice for invoice billing type is S1, and for credit memo cancellation it is S2. Okay, so here we have S1, invoice cancellation is a standard billing document type. Okay, and what is the next field? We have account determination procedure. See, this is a very important field. So this is the integration between SD and FI team, that is account determination procedure. And in standard KOFI 00 is a standard, okay, standard account determination procedure is a standard. Now, how system will determine these accounts? Okay, so this procedure will help to determine revenue GL account while posting invoice values into accounting. So whenever you save the invoice, okay, whenever you save the invoice, so we'll go to this transaction, right? /n VF01, and you will create one invoice. And when you save this, all the values will be posted into accounting. Okay, all these values will be posted into accounting. So when we create invoice, system will generate accounting document and the accounting entries customer account debit. So we are debiting the invoice values into customer account, which is a revenue to company. That is the reason customer account debit to revenue account credit. Now, now from for customer, we have to determine some account, right? So that account will be reconciliation account. While creating customer master in company code tab, you can see reconciliation account. So for customer account, system determines GL account from reconciliation account. For revenue account, okay. What about revenue account now? So for revenue account, system determines GL account based on account determination procedure. Okay, that is why I told this procedure, the standard procedure KOFI00 is very, very important, because system will identify this procedure and it will post into these accounting. Next one is document pricing procedure. Okay. Next one is we have document pricing procedure. So where is the document pricing procedure? We have one second, we have somewhere your document. Okay, your document pricing procedure we have. So A is a standard. What is the purpose of document pricing procedure? See, whenever you create invoice, okay, whenever you create invoice /NPF01, see what will happen. The pricing procedure will be copied from sales order to invoice. Correct, right? But whenever you create invoice with reference to deliver, sorry. So now /n VL01N, I'll go to VL01N. I will click on create with reference. Okay. Now I will give delivery type as LO. Click enter, give the ship to party, and give planned GI date and give the material quantity 100. Click enter. Now go to picking tab and enter pick quantity as 100 and perform post goods issue. So now what I did, I created delivery document without order reference. Now, whenever I create invoice for this particular delivery document type, how system will fetch, pricing procedure, because there is no concept of sales order here. So usually what will happen, the pricing procedure will be copied from sales order to invoice. But in this case, we don't have sales order. Okay. Now, how? So this field will help. What is this field? Document pricing procedure. This field will help to fetch document pricing procedure into this delivery type. Now /n VF01. I will select okay. I will select billing type as F2. Okay. This is F1. I will select F2. Click enter. Okay. So processing of document. So it is taking some time. Okay, that is the reason we have that field. Okay, document pricing procedure. This field is one of the parameter to determine pricing procedure in billing document. See, normally pricing will be copied from sales order to invoice, but in some scenarios, if we don't have sales order, then we determine pricing procedure in invoice with the help of this field. Okay, it's taking some time. So what I will do, I will open one new session. Okay, I will relog in once again. Okay. So it has come. Now, if I double click on this line item, okay, if I double click on this line item, go to condition tab, go to analysis, you can see pricing procedure there. So this is the importance of, document pricing procedure. Okay. Next one we have account determination cash settlement. See, we discussed now in cash sales, what is the accounting document system will generate cash settlement account debit to revenue account credit, because the customer is going to pay the cash. That is the reason this is the accounting entry. So we use this field only for cash sale billing type. Okay. So we use this field only for cash sale billing type, that is BV. Now I will select BV, go to SAP. Okay. Go to billing document type BV. Okay. BV, click enter. Okay. So go down. Uh, Go down. So here we have header application. See, for cash sale, the cancellation. Okay, to cancel the cash sale, this is the cancel billing type. See, everything you have to observe because it is not same for all the billing document types. See, for cash sale we have SV. For standard we had S1. Okay, so just take care of all these points. Okay, and this account determination cash settlement. Okay, I think we have to go to. Okay, this is cash sale. And see, here we have, okay, cash clearing, EVV. So here we will mention, okay, so this is the purpose of this field. Okay, so these 10 important fields are very important. Okay, it's a very small concept, but the impact of this is very huge. Okay, see, at the end of the day, billing is very important. If there is some mistake in the billing, then other billings will be in due. Okay, so hope you got the idea of billing document types. So, and table. Okay, and table. Go to slash NSA16N, and for header we have VBRK. So VBRK is a table billing document at header level, and VBRP is at item level billing document at item data. Okay, so this is the functionality of billing document type. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, please raise your question in comment box. I'll be happy to answer. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe because it will help you to give the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.